I was in the grocery store and I saw ginger, and look, it's got a little green sproutish area that I think it'd grow. And so I stuck it in a pot and I started growing ginger. And you can just grow them in about any potting soil and any pot that you might have around. As a matter of fact, I have some in an old dish pan because I ran out of pots. So I didn't know if these would produce more. Once it starts growing, it will send out more tubers underneath the ground. And so you only see a little bit above ground, and it kind of looks like a small corn stalk or a small grass of some sort. This time of year, later on in the fall, if you are ready to harvest, you would take the plants out and rinse off the roots, the tubers, and then you have your own ginger. And it's neat to be able to take something that you typically would buy in a store and you can replace it with something you grew yourself, and you can keep going with that same plant over and over for years.